I had excruciating pain in my right knee, and I was not ready for surgery. I had had a previous surgery that went very much awry, and I wound up with 4 surgeries on the same hip. And I was not going to go through another surgery if I didn't have to. I had seen an orthopedic guy who said, "This is inevitable. You will have a knee replacement eventually, sooner than later." I tried physical therapy. I tried pain medication. I tried a brace. My knee pain was to the point where I didn't want to walk. I couldn't sleep at night because it was so uncomfortable. I couldn't do the things that I loved anymore. I used to love to go shopping. I would be gone every single Saturday from morning till night. And I was to the point where I can't. I couldn't push a cart. I couldn't get in and out of the car by myself. It was not me anymore. We had our first consult with Dr. Ben, and I was still very nervous and very afraid. But once I had the first treatment, I knew we were on the right path. I had not heard of laser therapy before coming here. I just kind of was very, still apprehensive, I guess you would say, until we actually got into the therapy. And then it was like, oh, get me on that table. Because it made you feel so much better. They treated me with great respect. They treated me with great caring. And I just felt like I, again, was an individual that someone actually cared about. And they wanted to make me better. They never rushed what they were doing. They would explain what they were doing and why. They were excited, as we were, when I would walk in and they would see the improvement from one week to the other. By the 3rd treatment, I could sleep at night. I could get around better. I didn't have the constant pain in my knee. Yeah, it was a rough road at times, but every single time I came, there was more and more hope. I thank God every night for my life that I have, because they have changed a lot of things for me. Not every day is a bed of roses, but the fact that I don't have the constant pain and I don't have the issue in the back of my mind that I might have to have another surgery, because I can't. And it was just heartwarming to know that there is a place where people don't have to go under a knife for solutions. This is my answer.